If there is a fire alarm, stop what you are doing and stay calm. Check from the fire alarm system console where the fire alarm is coming from. Start by touching the door with your hand. Is it hot? If the door is hot, do not open it. If the door is not hot, you may carefully open it. If there is only a little smoke, help the patient out of the room. If the patient can't walk by himself, you may move the patient by pushing the bed. Remember to remove the electric cables connecting the bed to the wall. Make sure you know how the bed works and it fits out of the door. If the bed does not fit out of the door, use the rescue blanket. The rescue blanket is already in the bed, tucked under the sheets. Close the door behind you so that the toxic smoke won't spread. Move the patient to another fire compartment. Building can have many different fire compartments. Fire compartment slows down the spreading of the fire and toxic smoke. Close the door. Call 112 and tell them what happened.